Hello students. In our last session already we had discussed few steps to maintain the personal hygiene like bathing, washing our hands before meals, taking care of hair, teeth like that. In our today's session also we are going to discuss few another steps to maintain the personal hygiene. In that first we are going to discuss cutting of nails. So, what is the importance of cutting of nails? Fingernails should be kept short and the undersides means undersides of the nails should be cleaned frequently with soap and water. Because of their length, longer fingernails can harbor more dirt and bacteria than short nails. These dirt and germs can enter our food during meals, thus contributing to the spread of infection. So, for that, we have to take care of our nails. So, how one can take care of nails? Keep fingernails dry and clean. This prevents bacteria from growing under your fingernails. Practice good nail hygiene means you have to always clean your nails and undersides of the nails with soap and water. Use a sharp clippers to trim your nails. Be gentle on your nails. And last but not the least, very important, clip your nails or trim your nails regularly. Otherwise, dirt and germs will be there on the side of your nails and that will enter in your body through your food and cause different kinds of infections. Next is the care of eyes. You know that eyes are the sense organ by which everything is visible to us. Full world is bright due to the presence of eyes. Your eyesight is one of your most important senses. 80% of what we perceive comes through our sense of sight. By protecting your eyes, you will reduce the odds of blindness and visionless. Your vision will not be there and the full world actually will be dark. So that's why you have to take care of your eyes properly. So there are some natural methods to take care of our eyes. So how are eyes protected naturally? The visible part of the eye is protected by the eyelids and the eyelashes. You know our eyes are protected by the eyelids and eyelashes which help keep dirt, dust and even harmful bright light, mainly the UV light, out of the eye. Eyes are also protected by tears which moistens and clean out dirt, dust and other irritants, foreign particles that get past the defenses of the eyelashes and eyelids. So in the diagram you can see that on the top of the eyelid there is a gland named lacrimal gland or tear gland, common name. So from that lacrimal gland actually tear is secreted and this tear is coming to the eyes by that ducts. You can see that ducts. By the ducts The tears are coming from the lacrimal gland and spread on the surface of the eye, which actually moistens the surface of the eye and clean out all the dirt, dust, foreign particles. So it acts as a defense system to protect our eyes. Next, the steps to take care of your eyes. First and foremost thing to take care of your eyes is to wash your eyes at regular intervals, and obviously when you are coming from outside, you have to avoid rubbing your eyes, and if you want to wash your eyes or clean your eyes, always you have to use cotton clothes, and then keep sharp and pointed objects away from your eyes. Apart from this, so many other steps are also you have to adopt to take care of your eyes. First, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Avoid wearing contact lenses for more than 19 hours. Use allergen reducing eye drops. Use cucumber on your eyelids before going to sleep. It can relax your eyes. Wear UV protective sunglasses. Try not to spend too much time on your computer screen, and also not only computer screen, also on the TV screen. Wear goggles when appropriate. Exercise your eyes and also be sure to relax them. Do not look at a bright light directly, and also do not read in wrong posture, that is lying on bed, and also do not read in dim light. When you are reading or writing or doing any activities, you have to use bright light. Next is wearing clean clothes. You know that dirty clothes can harbor microorganisms, and for that it can lead to skin irritations and skin infections. Bad body odor, body smells can occur wearing clothes with the germs found on them. The only way to get rid of bad body odor and prevent the spread of germs found on clothes is to wash them and then use. So you have to change your clothes daily or regular basis. Then only you can be fresh and healthy. Last topic last step you can tell to maintain personal hygiene is the regular medical checkup. That is very, very important. So, what is the importance of regular medical checkup? Regular health exams and tests can help find problems before they start. They also can help find problems early, when your chances for treatment and cure are better. Actually, some diseases are there, if it is found or examined at last stage, it can't be cured that time. So that's why you have to go through a regular medical checkup. For that, your problems can be found earlier. For that, when there will be a chance for treatment and cure. By getting the right health services, screening and treatments, you are taking steps that help your chances for living a longer and healthier life. So by that, we are ending the steps of personal hygiene. In our next following sessions, we will discuss about the community hygiene. So till then, bye and have a good day.